Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain about the topic is checksum. Here, we are going to use the error detection technique. Okay, in the checksum. Okay, how the message should be. If it is very lengthy, how it is going to detect the errors and correct the errors in the checksum. Yes, see the checksum, okay, it is a error detection technique, okay, they can be applied a message or information of any length, okay, any length, okay, and thus in this information, okay, the checksum technique, okay, it is mostly used at the network as well as the transport layer, okay, rather than that, okay, the data link layer also they can use, and the message is first divided into m bits, the m bits, okay, and the generator, okay, they can creates and the extra m bit unit, that we call it as the checksum n bit, okay. The message has the message and sent to the checksum, okay, if the new checksum is all zeros, okay, the message is accepted, otherwise the message will be discarded. See, this is the actually logic of the checksum here. And you look at the diagram, okay, in this checksum, okay, we are going to use for the section 1, section 2, as well as the what is that, section K. So these all are the different sections, okay, which we are going to use here in the checksum. Means the length of the messages, okay, the length of the messages, they are going to use they are going to divide the number of the they are going to divide that length of the message into the uh, uh, like uh, into the n bits, or it should be m bits, like that, okay. Here, what is that, see the checksum, the result of the zeros, okay, it should be considered the checksum, okay, means but at the end, okay, there is no any error, okay, it is not error, okay, they have completely they have to divisible that particular bit with the another bit, okay, it should be a zero. During that time it is going to accept, otherwise they can discard it. Means if any remainder will become along with zero, okay, they have any remainder will come, so that will be discarded. So here the n bit checksum, okay, the packet, it should be a they are going to receive it at the receiver side, because they are going to adding with the section 1, section 2 till now section K, 16K n bits, means they are going to adding all the bits simultaneously, and they are going to checking with that bits, okay, whether it should be end with the zeros, means then only there is no any error they are going to finding out there, okay. If any there, okay, if any errors will be there, okay, they are going to do for the complements means they are going to go for the ones complement and twos complement. For that, okay, they have to rectify the errors, and finally they will be end with the zeros, means finally the output will be a zero. So okay, so that bit they are going to send in the form of packets to receiver. So the receiver, it is going to receives that particular result, and finally it is going to stored, and finally it is going to display in the receiver. So this is what the checksum. Then I'll the next one. Yes, see the next one is internet checksum. It is one of the types of the internet checksum. See the internet, it has, by using the 16-bit checksum, the sender, it is going to calculate the checksum by following these steps. The sender, okay, they have to follow these steps, that is message divided into 16-bit words, and the value of the checksum, okay, the word will be 0, means finally it is going to complete the answer with the zeros, okay, otherwise it is going to discard it, okay. Then this is what I just only I explain in the diagram, okay. And if if anything is there, means it is not ended with the 0, okay, they will go for the ones complement, okay, or it is a twos complement. By the time, okay, it is going to divide that particular value, so with the zeros, then finally that value or that particular checksum value or data, they are going to send to the receiver. So this is what the sender has to do. In the receiver, okay, they are going to receive the messages, okay, that can be divided into the 16 words, and all the words has to be added for one's complement. And again, at the receiver side, okay, again they will go for the one's complement. Okay, and then finally it with the checksum is 0, okay, the data is should be accepted, otherwise it is going to reject it. And this is what the polynomial and representation. Here like they have given the polynomial, so based on that they are going to represents the bit is the 1. Okay, like which is not there. Suppose x7, okay, it is 1, means like whatever the formula or expression they have given, x7 plus x5 plus x2 plus x plus 1, okay, they like these bits are making as a 1. So without that, okay, well, whichever is not there, that bit, okay, we are going to consider as the zeros bit. Okay, this is what the divisor. Okay, the polynomial we are going to divide it with the we are going to divide it with these numbers, that will be divisor number. So this is what the checksum, okay, it is going to happen.